Okay, let's start to talking about remote connections. Imagine being able to do everything you've seen and much more from anywhere in the world. This is what NED Micro does. You just have to click on Connect, you see? In this way, the NED connects and allows it to be controlled remotely. From anywhere in the world, you only need a browser. Imagine all the possibilities this gives you. You and your colleagues, the best experts in the case, connect to the NED to analyze a difficult case, all in real time, all while the events happen. This is what NED Micro does. Connects the best pathologists in the world. Everything always in real time. Digital pathology without boundaries. Thanks for watching. Remember, NED Micro.